Good morning, dear student. Class 5th, subject Math. Open page number 16. Exercise 3.2. Complete question 1. Some question given remaining. So I hope complete question 1. Okay, today we will solve question 2. First of all, read out question 2. Divide following Devanagari script number. Okay, we know that about Devanagari number, so follow in this question and divide the numbers. Okay, divide following Devanagari script number. These all are division type question. Okay, let's start question 1. Already write it here. Question 2. Divide following Devanagari script number. Same as write down this line in your fair notebook. Okay. Firstly, we convert these number into the Hindu Arabic number. Okay. Because this is easy way to solve the question. This is 6,684. Okay, this is 684 and this is 19. Okay, 684 divided by 19. Okay, so first of all write down here 6, 8 and 4. This is dividend and it is divisor. Okay, which is 19. Same pattern. First of all we take two numbers 6 and 8, 68. Okay, and speak the table of 19. We know that 68 does not lie in table of 19. So speak the table 19 1s are 19, 19 2s are 38 and 19 3s are 57. So write down 57. 5 and this is 7. Okay, 57 divide by 19 3 times. Subtract the numbers 8 minus 7 1, 6 minus 5 1. Write down the next digit which is 4. Okay, now the number is 114. Okay, now the number is 114. We know that 114 lie in table of 19 in 6 time. Okay, 19 6 are 114. So write down here 114 which is divide in 6 time. Okay, 4 minus 4 0, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. All over the answer is 0. Okay, there are no remainder, so the answer is 36. Quotient is 36. Okay, 684 divide by 19 in 36 time. Okay, complete this question. Write down in your fair notebook as the same way. Next, B. The number is 725, 725. 725, 725 divide by 2 and 5, 25. Okay, 725 divide by 25. First of all write down here dividend 7, 2 and 5, 725 and divisor which is 25. 2 and 5. Okay, take it two numbers which is 72. Okay, take it two number which is 72 and pick the table of 25. We know that 72 does not lie in 25 table. So just smaller number is 50. Okay, just smaller number is 50. So write down here 50, which is divide by 25 in 2 times. Okay, subtract the numbers. 2 minus 0, 2, 7 minus 4, which is 3, 7 minus 5, which is 2. Next number 5, write down here. So the number is 225. The number is 225. Again speak the table of 25. We know that 225 does lie in the table of 25 in 9 times. So write it here 2, 2, 5 and 9 times. So write it here 9. Okay. Then subtract the numbers. Both numbers are same. So the answer is 0. Again remainder is 0 and the quotient is 29. Okay, the quotient is 29. We can say that 725 divide 29 times in the table of 25. Okay, complete question 2. Next question, question 3. The number is 858. Okay, the number is 858 divided by 33. Okay, 858 divided by 33. First of all, write down here 858 and 33. Okay, same as first of all take it two numbers which is 85. Okay, and speak the table of 33. We know that 85 does not lie in the table of 33. So the just smaller digit is 66. Okay, 66. 33 to the 66 because 85 does not lie in the 33 table. 2 times. Subtract the numbers. We know that this is 5 and this is 6. 5 minus 6, it is not possible, so transfer the carry and now the number is 15. 15 minus 6, 9. There are left 7. 7 minus 6, 1. Okay, 7 minus 6, 1. The next number is 8. So write down here 8. Now the number is 198. Okay, the number is 198. We know that 198 lie in the table of 33 in 6 times. So 33 6 are 198. 6 times. Both numbers are same, so again remainder is 0 and the quotient is 26. Okay, the quotient is 26. We can say that 858 divided by 33 in 26 time. Okay, done. Question 3. Write down question 1, 2 and 3 in your fair notebook. Remaining question question 4 and 5 to yourself with the help of these questions. Firstly, solve out in your rough notebook, then write down in your fair notebook. Okay, complete question 2. Next question we will solve out our next class. Thank you.